Here is a beautiful kurta in cream color. This is the overall look. You can see the intricate embroidery to the sleeve edges and on the front side of the top full on. This is in peach and rama green color combination, and golden sequence work and golden thread work is there. Fancy buttons to the neckline. Simple party wear top. You can pair it up with jeans like skirt or palazzo pants and some other simple matching legging and dupatta. Having inner in crepe. The fabric is Roman silk.